Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another ThredUp mystery unboxing for you. So I did something a little crazy. If you watched my mixed girls clothing, it was one of the very first videos I put up for my whole reseller content thing. It was awful. I will say it was the same price as this box today, $44.99 plus shipping. It was like 50 bucks for the box. And I did make my money back between taking some stuff to a local consignment, selling a few pieces, and my daughter got a bunch of play clothes out of it. So I will not purchase the girls one again. And I've seen it come up a lot, but what I had not seen is the mixed boys clothing. And here on YouTube, I literally think there are 3 videos of people unboxing this. I don't know if it's because people who buy these these boys items just aren't on YouTube, or maybe they don't come up as often as the girls, which is crazy because I feel like if you look on ThredUp, there's an equal number of boys and girls. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with my mop today. So let's do it. My expectations are this. The one other unboxing I watched recently was pretty recent, a recent video, not like 5 years ago. And her box was pretty awful. It was mostly Carter's and Walmart, which those brands are fine, but there's no resale value. And so my hope for this, my son is in a weird size right now. He's almost 10, but he's in a size 9. And if you have children, especially boys, they go from like size 6, 7 to 8, 10. And that's a huge jump. And then often from other companies, 7, 8 to 10, 12. So anyway, we need some play clothes for him to just trash and all of that. So I'm hoping there's a few things for him, maybe some things I can sell. This is my first box to ever come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I typically have gotten my boxes from Georgia. So, yep, $44, and I believe shipping was $5.99. So it's gonna make, what does that make these? I think this is 25 pieces. Yeah, so let's just jump in and see. It is got little stickers, and everything seems to be actually kind of folded nicely. That's nice. All right, here we go. This is a nice jacket. This is not gonna work out. Stand by. Okay, scared the dog. Okay, Calvin Klein, size 7. So my son, he's like an 8, 9, 7, 8 stuff is definitely too small. So this is a nice little bomber style jacket. It appears to be in great condition. So I think we're off to a good start. I'll hurry up and go ahead and list this because it's a little bit cold in most places. All right, actually I have another ThredUp empty box next to me. Okay, what do we have? Looks like the Under Armour logo says youth large. Perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping to find in this box. So I gotta fix this situation here. Oh my gosh. My hair is the longest it's ever been in my entire life, and it's almost too long to put up, if that even makes sense. It just falls. Okay, so it's got the logo on the back, and things typically look better on screen than they do in person, but this looks unused. So perfect. One thing for my kid. It's another sporty type material. This is Tech Gear, Dry Tech. I think, is that like a Sam's Club brand? I don't know. Tech Gear. It says 1820 extra large. That is not going to fit my son. I don't know if this brand is even worth listing. We'll see. So the clothing in this box could be from size newborn all the way to size 1820. So we'll see. I believe the couple videos I've seen, they got mostly like tiny clothes. Oh, North Face. This is like not even on comparison levels with the girls box that I got. But I do see the size tag was ripped out. Let me see. If I had to guess, this is probably a large. Sometimes there's an inner tag, which was also cut out. But that's fine because this is very lightweight. We're in Florida and typically don't need anything super heavy. So I will keep this for my son as well. Will definitely fit him once cold season rolls around again this coming fall. This looks like some career wear. Boys box. What is this? There's a suit jacket. Oh, it's Calvin Klein. Size 18. So definitely some bigger items, which is good because I can list it on Kidizen as well. you're not allowed to list men's clothing there. So because it is a kid size, I feel like an 18-20 is like a men's small. I mean, at least that's the size it looks. It looks to be in great condition. Maybe people are still going to be going to church for Easter. So, because I'm definitely not going to hoard anything this large. Who knows if my son will ever fit that size. We'll see. We have small kids. Okay, another athletic extra large 18-20. I'm seeing a trend here. This is Adidas Climalite. Just a little sports shirt. Not bad. I'll have to do some looking. I don't know if I will list these items or maybe take them to my local kids consignment. Another Calvin Klein. So this is the, whew, blurry. Why am I blurry? Unblur me. Size medium. Oh my gosh, this needs to fix itself. What's going on with my camera? Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Size medium. New with the tags. Juniors medium. But this definitely looks like maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna have to have my son try this on just so I can get a better, it's a very pretty color. It's almost like a iridescent, I don't know. I'll have him try that on and see. I don't know what Calvin Klein medium is. I see another button up. So I think everything is folded in here. Pretty nice. Brooks Brothers fleece. Different does it feel like fleece? Size extra large, non-iron. Another piece that would be great for Easter. Appears to be in pretty great condition. So obviously I got the big boy box. Bowden, you guys, this is great. Now I'm not telling you to run out and buy these because we all know with ThredUp, hit or miss. So I'll definitely, this is big, size 13, 14. I'll definitely be listing this on Kidizen and Mercari and Posh, possibly eBay. Let's see, Puma says large 14, 16. So I asked for play clothes. Oh, and it's new tag, but these are a little big. I mean, I didn't ask. In my mind, I asked. You don't get any say. This is brand new with the tags, Puma large 14, 16, $28. So definitely something that I can list and try to make some money back. Some athletic shorts. Under Armour, youth large. I think my son just recently got into youth medium, so I don't know if I will. He does have a size up bin. My size up bins are kind of bursting at the seams, so I'll probably end up listing those. Johnny O hanging out. I don't know what's Johnny O. I know Johnny B, not Johnny O. Size 14 again. Just a really pretty mint colored with a pocket. What is that? That's like their logo, a surfboard guy, because I saw that up here. So great condition. So far, I mean, my girls box, everything had terrible wash wear. A lot of things had stains. So this is nice. And you would think, well, me being someone who buys a lot of used things, usually it's the boys stuff that's a lot more worn. These are no tag, but they're Nike. Some pants. These look like they might be my son's size. We'll see. That would be nice because it's a little hard to sell stuff without tags. Ooh, some board shorts. I'm actually looking out at my pool. The company's here right now. They just finished it yesterday. Well, these are brand new with a tag. Old Navy extra large 14, 16. So perfect time. Get your swimsuits listed, y'all. I have been buying them and also selling, listing all the old last year's, and they've been selling within a day. So definitely list your swimwear. A tie, brand new with a tag, Wembley, JCPenney, Aqua, retail $25. Got what is that? A helicopter. Yes, yes. Just says one size, so that's nice. Ooh, another pair of Nike pants. These are mediums. What they say, medium. Tag is not cut out. They're very much similar style, so let's see. These appear to also be mediums, so yay. However, they're like the same up here, but you can see one is quite longer than the other. Wonder why. All right, this is, I can't even read this, size large. It's like a waffle knit solid black. Oh, also new with tag, large 18. Dichotomy. I think it's Dikotomy. I think. I'm a little bright. Oh, $18 retail. Just a, like I said, a waffle nut. What is this considered, like a Henley? That's. So I'm happy to have the larger sizes. Smaller sizes I feel like are definitely harder to move. Oh, it's great. Like they did a great, I mean, they stuffed a lot. I thought it was 25 pieces. It could be. It just seems like a lot. These are DL 1961. I feel like I've heard of that. DL 1961 Brady Slim, size 18. So like a teenage boy size. These are some pretty nice looking jeans. They look like they've got some factory washing, and yeah, they appear to be like in almost new condition. So that's nice. Lands End Kid, size large, 14, 16. So maybe we'll see if I can bundle a lot of these. It's not, because it's nice stuff, but I just don't know how well they'll do individually, but nice. Another Calvin Klein piece, size 18, slim fit and stretch. It's got like teeny tiny CKs on it, black and white. This is nice. Just a button up. Another blazer. A gray one this time. Oh, guys, and it's Calvin Klein again, and it's brand new. $105 retail, size 16. Suit separate, light gray. Interesting. I notice that it has this tag up here, but so that's great. I paid $44.99 for the box. Maybe with just a couple new tag pieces, I can actually pay for the box. And there was a couple pieces to keep for my son. This is the first smaller piece I've seen. Oh, it seems so cute compared to that big stuff. This is Roots, which I've also heard of. I believe this is a Canadian brand, I think. Roots, size 2T, Roots Kids, just a nice terry zip up hoodie. Couple pieces left. Oh, some overalls. Shorts, overalls. These are Genuine Kids, Oshkosh, size 24 months. I hate 24 months because it's like, you can't list it as a 2, even though it's very similar in size. So you list it as 18 to 24 because most platforms don't have just 24. And I remember when my kids were in that awkward in-between size. It's hard to list, hard to buy. Another youth large Under Armour shirt. Perfect. So another one I'll be keeping. This is basically what I was hoping to get with some of these, and I got them. Another brand new with a tag. This is American Eagle Outfitters. Retail $49.95. Next level flex relaxed straight 26 by 30. So I feel like I can definitely sell these. Just some nice khakis. They feel good. I don't feel like that stiff like career wear khaki. Looks like there's one piece left. So another large item. It is weatherproof, size large, 14-16. Never heard of weatherproof. Maybe a Sam's Club brand or something like that also, but it feels nice. It feels kind of like a Patagonia North Face type material. Just, is it pullover? No, full zip. Did have someone's name written in it, but it appears in really great condition, minus the name. Yeah, I don't know. Machine wash cold doesn't have any other info. So, guys, I feel like, okay, ThredUp, like this was a good box. I feel like there was a lot of brand new with tags items. Oh my gosh, a lot of new with tags items. I definitely feel like it was worth $44.99 or $44 plus the shipping, so 50 bucks. That makes it about $2 a piece. Is that right? Can I do math? There's a few pieces to keep for my son. There's several pieces. I feel with Easter coming up, maybe I'll be able to sell them. I don't find there to be anything that's not sellable. There's a couple pieces with the tag missing or what have you, but I'm probably going to keep those pieces anyway. Oh, and if you're wondering what my shirt says, I'm working on my roar. I am in Orlando, if you didn't know that yet. A little Disney obsessed. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got a couple more unboxings coming because I can't help myself. So anyway, and I encourage you to check out ThredUp, just their actual retail side. I've been waiting on a box of things I ordered for my kids at fantastic deals. So anyway, all right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.